ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 104. The asuras, when they tried to pierce the prana with the sin papam, then what happened? They got destroyed like a lump of clay hit on the rock, so they were scattered. Then what happens? See in Tika, third line. न तरहि तेषां परिच्छेदाभिमानः स्यात् इति आशंक्य आह। तेषां वागादीनां, they now will not have parichheda abhimana. This is the question in Bhashya. Purvamapi, third line from the bottom in Bhashya. Purvamapi agnyadhyatmana eva santaha स्वाभाविकेन पाप्मना तिरस्कृत विज्ञानाः पिंड मात्राभिमाना आसन. पूर्वमपि, even earlier, this अज्ञादि आत्मनः एव सन्तः स्वाभाविकेन एव सन्तः वागादीन. वागादि, in reality they were actually only nothing but the presiding deities over them. So Agni Indriya presides over Agni Devata presides over Vag Indriya. Like that, in each, really speaking, they were only those Devatas. Devata means Chaitanya Rupa. But that Chaitanya Rupa was obstructed by the Bhautika Indriya. So like that, we also are in reality Chaitanya Rupa. But the Bhut covers our Rupa. That is this sentence. Why it covers our Swarupa? Swabhavikena Papmana. In our case, it is Avidya. In their case, it was some Purvamapi Agnyadhyatmana eva santa Swabhavikena Papmana Tiraskrita Vijnanaha. Bahuvrihi Samasa. Tiraskritam Vijnanam Yena Te Tiraskrita Vijnanaha. Those who have rejected to give importance to their Chaitanya Swabhava and opted to identify with matter. So like we all also, if we think I am more and more matter and I forget I am more and more Chaitanya, we are Tiraskrita Vijnanaha. Pinda Matra Abhimana are, and therefore more and more identification only with the Pinda Bhautik Vastu. So even earlier, we were Chaitanya Swarupa. This extrovert. So Parichheda Abhimana was not there in the beginning itself. Identifying with Paricheda is our choice in our case. In case of Indriyas also, they were Devata Swarupa. They decided to identify with the Indriya Golaka ityadi. ते in Bhashya, te tat papma viyogat ujjitva pinda matra abhimanam shastra samarpita vagadi अज्ञाद्यात्मा अभिमाना बभूवुः इत्यर्थः. Those vagadi tat papma viyogat, when they became separated from that papa, ujjitva pinda matra abhimanam, the abhimanam with the pinda matra that they had, they rejected now. Shastra samarpita vagadi ajñadyatma abhimana babu. Now they attained their glory of devatatva. What is that? Now they had Shastra Samarpita Vagadi Agnyadi Abhimana. So Shastra had said earlier to them that you are Agni Swarupa, not just Indriya. But their identification was not gone. Now, because the Papa is gone, therefore they are able to identify with their Swarupa. So in our case also, no matter how many times we hear you are Chaitanya, you are Brahma, you are all pervading, until those sinful tendencies go, Pinda Matra Abhimanam will remain. It will be overpowering that other Jnanam. Once that Ajnanam or the Papa Ityadi goes away, then Shastra Samarpita Vagadi Ajnadhyatma Bhimana Babu. This will happen. In Tika, Parichedabhimanat Ajnadhyatmabhimanasya Balavatvam Suchayati. With respect to Paricheda Abhimana, Ajnadi Atma Abhimana is more powerful. So it should happen, but it is prevented as long as Papa is there. When the Papa is given up, then it will happen. Ajnadi Atma Abhimanam will express itself. In Tika, na kevalam atra uktanam eva asuranam असंसर्ग धर्मी प्राणाश्रयाद विनाशः किंतु तत्तुल्य जातीयानामपि इति अभिप्रेत्याह. न केवलम अत्र उक्तानामेव असुराणाम असंसर्ग धर्मी प्राणाश्रयाद विनाशः. Not only the asuras which were mentioned here, their vinasha took place because of them facing this asansarga dharmi prana. Uktanam eva asuranam asansargi dharmi prana ashrayat. Ashraya means they faced that, like prana was like a rock and they faced that prana. Prana had asansarga dharma. Asansarga dharmi prana ashrayat vinashaha. Kesham asuranam. Not only that, kintu tattulya jatiyanam api. Tattulya jatiyanam asuranam. Shakhantar uktanam api. So not only those asuras which are mentioned here in Udgita Brahmana, but elsewhere also if some such things are mentioned, their nasha also happened. Like this Parichinnatva Abhimana is one, anything else also. What we have to understand is anything that is obstructing my upward journey, that is Papa, that is keeping me down. And whenever we in sadhana insist on anything, you understand, insist means if whatever is not Shastriya, just because we want to assert our point, definitely you are not going to win it. You understand. So you will never be able to move forward. That's why you have to learn to be flexible in all those areas. Bhashya. Kincha. Te pratipaksha bhuta asuraha parabhavan iti anuvartate. All those asuras which are pratipaksha bhuta, they all got defeated. Parabhavan, asuraha parabhavan. I had explained this. Parabhavan will go with asuraha also. Parabhuta vinashta ityarthaha. टीका वागादीनाम् अज्ञादि भावापत्ति वचनेन तत्संहतस्य यजमानस्य देवता प्राप्तिः आसुर पापमध्वंसश्च फलम् इति उक्तम्. वागादीनाम् अज्ञादि भावापत्ति वचनेन, when these vagadi indriya they attained agnadi bhava, means the devata bhava, by this the yajmana also, tat samhatasya yajmana also, the yajmana who is presiding over that sanghata, devata prapti, he also attains devata bhava. And asura papma dvansascha, asura papa, its destruction, phalam iti uktam. Tatra पूर्वकल्पीय यजमानस्य अतिशयशालित्वात् यथोक्त फलवत्वे अपि न इदानीन्तनस्य एवं इति आशंक्य. Somebody says in the पूर्वकल्प, तत्र पूर्वकल्पीय यजमानस्य अतिशयशालित्वात्, the yajmana who became Hiranyagarbha now in his Purvakalpa, Purvakalpiya Yajmanasya Atishaya Shalitvat, because he had lot of great character, virtue, etc., he could attain that result. Yathokta phalavatvam kasya yajmanasya, Purvakalpiya Yajmanasya. So he might have attained that in the Purvakalpa. Phalavatve api. Na idanintanasya evam. Idanintana means if somebody who is performing the same upasana now, he will not get it. There are some people who always have such doubts. They will say, in those days, Sakshatkara was possible, whether Hiranyagarbha Sakshatkara or Brahma Sakshatkara. Now, in this Janma, in this Kali Yuga, it is not going to happen. उस समय तो किसी को साक्षात्कार हो जाता होगा in those days. So that is exactly the question here. न इदानीन्तनस्य एवं इति आशंक्य भवति इत्यादि श्रुतिम अवतारयति. So in the Shruti, in the mantra, it is given भवत्यात्मना परा अस्य द्विषन् भ्रातृव्यो भवति य एवं वेद. So that line is being commented upon now. यथा यथा पुराकल्पेन वर्णितः पूर्वयजमानो अतिक्रांतकालिक एताम एव आख्यायिका रूपाम श्रुतिम दृष्ट्वा दृष्ट्वा ट हलंत इज नीडेड दृष्ट्वा तेनैव क्रमेण वागादि देवताः परीक्ष्य ताश्च अपोह्य आसंग पाप्मा आस्पद दोषवत्वेन अदोषास्पदम मुख्यम प्राणम आत्मत्वेन उपगम्य. One sentence is there, 5 lines. Actually, it ends at second last line, Prajapati Swarupena Atmana, Purnaviram. which is missing. Full stop is missing, just add that. Let us see Bhashya first, 1 or 2 lines at least. Yatha, just as Purakalpena Varnitaha, as based on the previous kalpa, previous cycle of creation, Varnitaha, Purva Yajmanaha, the one who was Yajmana in the Purva Janma, Purve Yajmanaha, Purva Yajmanaha, Atikranta Kalika, Etam eva Akhyayika Rupam Shrutim Drashtva. At that time, he must have seen this Shruti. This Shruti was there at that time or not? So you see, he was not Hiranyagarbha at that time. He was Yajmana. But this Deva, this Indriya, Akhyayika, Vagadi Devata, everything was already there. He must have seen that. Then he must have decided to do Upasana. Then he heard this chapter, he did Prana Upasana, he became Hiranyagarbha. Etam eva Akhyayika Rupam Shrutim Drashtva. Tenaiva Kramena Vagadi Devataha Parikshya. He also must have done parikshanam of all these indriyas. Then he must have understood each of these indriyas, they have some weakness, some papa, defect. Tenaiva Kramena Vagadi Devataha Parikshya. Tasya Apohya. So then he left all of them. Why? Asanga Papma Aspada Doshavattvena. Because they all had the dosha of asanga, some attachment, asakti. So he left them means he did not give importance to those indriyas. Then what he did? Adoshaspadam mukhyam pranam atmatvena upagamya. Then he considered that prana which is adosaspada, not affected by any dosha, adosaspadam mukhyam pranam atmatvena upagamya. So then he started doing this upasana. I am Mukhya Prana, means I am Hiranyagarbha in this way. Ahangrahopasana, he started doing. Atmatvena Upagamya, Vagadi Adhyatmika, Pinda Matra Parichinna, Atma Abhimanam Hitva. So then he gave up the Pinda Matra Parichinna Atma Abhimanam, which was there, Vagadi Adhyatmika Pinda Matra. Only Vagindriya, only Chakshurindriya, only Shrotra Indriya. Like that, each individual Abhimana that he had, Vagadi Adhyatmika Pinda Matra Parichinna Atma Abhimanam Hitva, he attained Vairaj Pinda Abhimanam, Vagadi. Agnya, Ga is missing. Vagadyagnya, half Ga. Agnyadhyatma Vishayam Vartamana Prajapatitvam Shastra Prakashitam Pratipannas Tathaivayam Yajmanas Tenaiva Vidina Bhavati Prajapati Swarupena Atmana. So he entertained the Abhimana of Mukhya Prana, Mukhyam Pranam Atmatvena Upagamya Vagadi Adhyatmika Pinda Matra Parichinna Atma Abhimanam Hitva. Having given up the Abhimanam with each Indriya, that Parichinna Atma Abhimanam, having given up, Vairaj Pinda Abhimanam, he attained. That I am Samashti. Vairaj Abhimanam here means Samashti Sthula Abhimanam. But as long as that Samashti Abhimanam is there, an identification with the finitude is not there, limitations is not there, then he became Prajapati. So in that Janma, he had that identification. He did the Upasana, he became Virat, means in his Bhava. So now he became Hiranyagarbha, Prajapati. वैराज पिंडाभिमानम वागादि अज्ञाध्यात्म विषयम वर्तमान प्रजापतित्वम शास्त्र प्रकाशितम प्रतिपन्नः प्रतिपन्नः प्राप्तः he attained it, that yajmana attained it, that vartamana prajapatitvam. In other words, what he attained, that whole process is given in these 3-4 lines. In the same way now, तथा एव अयम यजमानः तेनैव विधिना भवति प्रजापति स्वरूपेण आत्मना. In the same way, ayam yajmanah, ayam yajmana means idanintana yajmana, somebody who is now yajmana in this very janma, in this life, in this day and age, as they say. Tenaiva, same path, same method they have to follow. He will also become Prajapati. Prajapati Swarupena Atmana Bhavati means Prajapati Atmana Prajapati. There is no change in that. टीका पूर्व कल्पना प्रकारेण पूर्व जन्मस्थो यजमानः शास्त्र प्रकाशितम वर्तमान प्रजापतित्वम प्रतिपन्नो यथा इति संबंधः. तो तथा is there, so यथा is what? पूर्व कल्पना प्रकारेण पूर्व जन्मस्थः. How पूर्व कल्पना means all this, whatever is given here. पूर्व जन्मस्थः यजमान, in the previous janma who was yajmana, शास्त्र प्रकाशितम वर्तमान प्रजापतित्वम यथा प्रतिपन्नः, how he became current प्रजापति इति संबंधः. पूर्व यजमान इत्यस्य व्याख्या अतिक्रांत कालिक इति. पूर्व यजमानस्य इत्यस्य व्याख्या, in the Purva Kalpa, when he was Yajamana, Purva Yajamana Ityasya Vyakya Atikranta Kalika, in the way back time. Atikranta Kalika. Pura Kalpam eva darshayati. Etam. Second stanza. Etameva Akhyayika. Pura Kalpameva darshayati etameva Akhyayika Rupam iti. Tena iti Shrutyuktena iti etat. Tenaiva vidina. Tenaiva means Shrutyuktena eva vidina. What is said in Shruti, you follow. How he became Prajapati, you can also become Prajapati. Same is true for Brahma Jnanam also. How Nachiketa got Brahma Vidya, so at the end in Kathopanishad it is given. Just like how Nachiketa got it, you can also get it. Anyone now also can get the same. How Shvetaketu understood his Brahma, at the end he said, Vijagnyaviti, Vijagnyaviti. You also can understand. Same thing. Same vidhi is not different. And if, let's say, I also have shoka like Naradji, that Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, everything I have studied. And then still Soham Bhagava Shochami. Then you also do what Naradji had to go through, this Upasana, that Upasana, that Upasana. Finally, how Naradji understood, in the same way you also understand. In other words, whatever is given in Upanishad, for some Somebody might be Arjuna like Adhikari. He might have to go through because every day he has some battle in his life. And somebody might not have such situation. He'll by like Shwetaketu just went home. Father asked, "Did you learn?" "No, I didn't learn." "Chalo thoda pad lo." Okay. So he might have take it easy kind of thing. And some people might have little more challenging. And some people might be like Parikshita, who know that within few days we have to die now. And I have to drop everything and just work for this moksha. So different kind of adhikaris are given there. For them, different things are there. Somebody might be like Maitreya, whose husband says, "I am taking sannyasa now, you are on your own, you keep the wealth." And then suddenly she realizes, now I have to learn. Say, "Please teach me." Then she will learn. Like that. Other way also it can happen. Wife can say, "I want to take sannyasa." Husband says, "Wait, wait, please teach me, then you go. Please teach me how to cook everything." तेनैव विधिना श्रुति प्रकाशितेन क्रमेण मुख्यं प्राणम आत्मत्वेन उपगम्य इति शेष. तेनैव means तेनैव विधिना, how it is revealed by Shruti. Shruti prakashitena क्रमेण मुख्यं प्राणम आत्मत्वेन उपगम्य. This is the main thing in this upasana. Mukhya prana is me. In this way I have to do upasana. Even if somebody does not get Brahma Jnanam, if that person does Aham Brahmasmi Upasana, means continuously this vichara is there. I am Nirguna, Nirvikara. Even though Shravanam did not produce Jnanam, but if this vichara continues, it is similar to this. It is Shruti Prakasha, Shruti Prakashita, because Shastra has given that injunction. And Brahma Atmatvena Upagamya. You have done this vichara, I am Brahma, in this way. Go on doing. So maximum thinking, if it is done in that, then Ashuddhi will go away, Ekagrata will come. Eventually, I will understand, I am Brahma, I don't need to do anything else. Now the Phalashruti part is given. So this is one phalam. In Bhashya. पराच अस्य प्रजापतित्व प्रतिपक्षभूतः पाप्मा द्विषन् भ्रातृव्यो भवति. अस्य प्रजापतित्व प्रतिपक्षभूतः पाप्मा द्विषन् भ्रातृव्यः परा भवति. Para will go with bhavati. They will get defeated. Who? Those who are Pratipaksha Bhuta of this Prajapati, those who are against this Prajapati, and they are doing Dvesha, Dvishan Bhratravyaha. Those Bhratravyaha means Shatru, it is given here. Bhratravya actually means one father and different mothers. Sautele bhai, like in Hindi they have given. I don't know what is the word in English.
Step brother. Step siblings. Sorry.
Step brothers. Step brothers. In Tika, sapatno bhratravyas tasya dvishan iti kuto visheshanam. Sapatnaha bhratravyah bhratravya tasya dvishan. These sapatnaha, those who are born from another. Sapatni means father's another wife, or sometimes two husbands, two different brothers are there, two brothers, their wives, their children, they also have sometimes negative relations. So they will have dvesha. So why this visheshana is given? Dvishan iti kuto visheshanam artha siddhatvat dveshasya iti ashankyaha. Dveshasya artha siddhatvat. Dvesha always will be there. Shatrutvena eva siddhatvat. They are enemy of each other. Therefore, why this visheshana is given? 15 number tippani says Shatrutvena siddhatvat. यतो अद्वेष्टा अपि भवति कश्चित् भ्रातृव्यो भरतादि तुल्यो. Sometimes the bhratravya are adveshta also. They don't have hatred for each other like Bharatji. Yastvindriya vishaya sanga janitah papma bhratravyo dveshta cha. And that's why here it is specified Indriya vishaya sanga janitah papma bhratravya and dveshta cha. So they are having sins also, they are cousins also, or step brothers, and sometimes they say half brothers. They are half brothers. And dveshta also, they do dvesha also. Tasya dveshtrutva niyame hetumaha. What is the niyama for dvesha for each other? Paramarthika atma swarupa tiraskarana hetutva. Dvesha will be there means I am more and more away from my paramarthika swarupa. The more I reject my paramarthika swarupa, more I will have dvesha bhavana. That is what Bhashyakar says. Paramarthika atma swarupa tiraskarana hetutvad dveshtrutvam. So if I see more dvesha in my life, that means I am away from seeing oneness. Paramarthika Atma Swarupa means I see myself as that Brahma and oneness with all. Sattvic Jnanam in Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, it is given in this way. Sarva bhuteshu yenaikam bhavam avyayamikshate avibhaktam vibhakteshu tadjnanam viddhi satvikam. This is the Sattvic Jnana. पृथक्त्वेन तु यज्ञानम नाना भावान पृथक विधान वेत्ति सर्वेषु भूतेषु. In each पृथक्त्वेन, if I see, this is rajasic jnanam. This is common, like pashu. This is I am different. This is different, etc. And tamasic is further down. Aparichinna devatatvam atra paramarthikam atmaswarupam vivakshitam. Aparichinna devatatva swarupa is paramarthikam in this case. In Vedanta Vidya, paramarthikam means Brahma Jnana. Tat tiraskarana karanatvat ukta papmano visheshanam arthavat iti sheshaha. Because that paramarthika swarupam is rejected, is denounced. Therefore, Papa with this Visheshana, Bhratrivya Dveshtacha, that Visheshana is Arthavatvam. Means it is meaningful to give these adjectives because the Paramarthik vision is lost. So this is true anywhere. Let's say country is there, one nation. So many states are there. Resources are for the whole nation. One state has water, another state doesn't have water. If they've gone fighting, complaining, if they don't see oneness between the two, neither of state will come up. One state says, we will not let you do this, other says, we will not let you do the other thing. Both will be losing. Instead, if they work together, parasparam bhavayantaha shreya paramavapsyatha, then both will attain shreya. So that vision of oneness, that we are one country, we have to work together, that is lost. So wherever such greater vision is lost, shallow vision comes, our progress is stalled. Sometimes people think this tree is there, it is giving fruits. Tree is in my yard. That story we have heard. And fruits are going in the neighbors. So I don't want neighbor to have any fruit. So what will I do? They cut the tree. They will not get anything. I don't care. I don't want you to enjoy anything. Bas. So this mentality will not let me prosper at all. Bhashya. Sacha parabhavati vishiriyate loshtavat prana parishvangat. When it faces prana, then parabhavati loshtavat. Like how Loshta got defeated when it faced the prana, which was like rock, like that. When it comes in association with prana, then such Dvishan, Bhratruvya, they will get defeated when they come in contact with prana, means prana upasaka. So even if I want all my other people to get defeated, I should do prana upasana. Go on doing upasana. At least you will get some drashta phalam. Then you think, oh, what am I doing upasana for all this? Then you will drop this. Then you will move forward. Kasya etat phalam ityaha ya evam veda. Who will get this phalam? Ya evam veda. Now in Tika, one question is there. Yada agneyo ashtakapala iti vat ya evam veda iti prasiddharthopanibandhe api vidhi param vakyam atasya evam vidyat iti vivakshitam iti abhipretya. Even though it says ya evam veda, it is not an injunction, it is not a vidhi. You should understand it as a vidhi. Just like yad agneyo ashtakapala, it is a vidhi vakya. 5 number tippani, 6 number 5 says bhavati iti padashesh. Prasiddharthopabandhe api. प्रसिद्ध अर्थक पद संबंधे अपि इत्यर्थ. अनुष्ठेयार्थ बोधक लिंगादि पद अभावे अपि. Even if there is no अनुष्ठेयार्थ बोधक लिंग पद, vidhi is not there, vidhi ling etc. Still you should understand this as a vidhi vakya. Ya evam veda means it's a vidhanam. You should do this. Vidhi param vakyam. Atasya evam vidyat. In this way you should understand. Iti vivakshitam iti abhipratyaha yathoktam pranam atmatvena pratipadyate purva yajamanavat. Yathoktam pranam atmatvena pratipadyate. The one who understands his prana as one's own self, then he will get this result as it is mentioned here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.